Instrument unpacking assembly. Open the instrument packing box. Remove the instrument and place it flat and clean on a dust-free bench plane. Accessories are counted according to the packing list. Sodium iodine analyzer host temperature electrode. Sodium iodine composite electrode. Sodium iodine standard liquid electrode protective cover. Electrode holder power adapter. Instructions certificate of conformity warranty card. Assembly debugging assembly. Precautions to ensure the operating status of the instrument. Please ensure that the instrument is placed and installed. Meet the requirements of the manual. The motor cannot be plugged and unplugged with electricity. Use the power adapter that comes standard with the instrument. The instrument initially confirmed that the electrode host was not damaged. Sodium iodine composite electrode open package. Remove the electrode. Check if the bulb is damaged. Check whether the sodium iodine standard solution concentration is correct. Check whether the electrode holder knob activity is normal. Check if the power adapter is 24 volts. An installation position requires the placement position of an instrument. There should be no major vibration. The location of the instrument. Keep away from harmful gases or places where liquids drip. Make sure the electrodes are connected, where cables and power cords pass. No contact with high temperature or rubbing objects. Instrument assembly. Fix the back of the meter. Knob off. Fix the electrode holder base on the back of the meter. Tighten the nut. Flip the meter. Align the electrode mounting holes with the bracket base. Tighten the lock nut. Adjust the position of the electrode holder. First, unscrew the fastening screw counterclockwise. Adjust the angle and height of the bracket as needed. Just tighten the fastening screws clockwise. Take sodium iodine composite electrode. Remove the electrodes to protect the screen. No damage or cracks in the bulb. Keep protective screen. For future preservation, electrode mounting electrode protective cover. Fix the electrode on the electrode holder and clamp it tightly. Fix the electrode wires. Rotate to remove electrode. Protective connector spare. The sodium iodine composite electrode joint. Push into the electrode input hole of the back panel of the main unit and rotate the lock clockwise. Take the temperature electrode. Mount it on the motor bracket. Clamp line. Insert the temperature electrode connector into the temperature electrode jack. Take the 24-volt 1 amp power adapter and plug it into the power jack.